Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Galactic Tech Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that trains students in rural areas in astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Simon. I'm going to be a process of dark matter. Dark matter is a hypothetical form of matter thought to be the predominant type of matter in the universe. It is called dark because it does not appear to interact with the electromagnetic field, which means it does not absorb, reflect, or emit electromagnetic radiation, and is therefore difficult to detect. This is because most of our telescopes work with the electromagnetic field, meaning that without it, you can't detect anything. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the images. The rest is dark energy. The rest, everything on Earth, everything ever observed with all our instruments, all normal matter, adds up to just less than 5% of the universe, showing how small we actually are. Dark matter is known by ionic matter, meaning that it's not made up of barrier. Little is known about dark matter. We don't know what it's made up of, we don't know where it came from, we don't know how it came about. All we know is that it exists, and it doesn't interact with matter in any way except for the gravitational force. In conclusion, scientists are still trying their best to discover more about dark matter, the mystery ingredient of the universe. Please don't forget to follow us and subscribe on all our social media platforms for more interesting episodes. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.